¿Cómo está, capo? And welcome back to my channel. Buenos dias. So today we're going to try the Ube Champorado. Champorado. Yeah. Rice porridge, ube flavored, by Pamana. Pamana. Yeah. So I got this at Seafood City, and breakfast time. I'm hungry. Let's get it. So how do we make this? Boiling water. Okay, yeah, that's easy. Cover for 5 minutes. All right. Not noodles this time. Something different. So come on, let's get to the kitchen.
All right. So this is what it looks like. Oh. Okay.
Boiling hot water. Let's get that going. Now we just waiting. Alright, it's done. So let's go ahead and open this up. What is this? It's the ube? Come on out. Damn, get out of there. Yeah, that's ube, alright. Ube! And Rice Krispies? Oh! These are Rice Krispies? Smack, crackle, and pop? Oh, let's get these back in there. Alright, let's pour the ube powder in there. Wow. Purple. There we go. Alright. Mix that up. Okay, see the line? Pour it up to the line. You know the routine, just like the noodles? Right up the line. Ah, look how purple that is. Oh, okay, there, yeah. Close her up, 5 minutes, more waiting. Waiting. Ube. All right, there we go, that should be good. 5 minutes. Is it gonna look like this? Here we go, let's find out. Oh, what the hell? Okay. Yeah. Got our little spoon here with the kitty. Mix this up. Ooh, it's like really watery. Oh shit. Oh, it's getting more purple. Okay, here we are. So let's go ahead and try this out now. So first time I ever had this was actually in Sagada. You're on top of everything and you see the clouds. Big huge mountain hiking early in the morning, 4 a.m. and yeah, beautiful. Anyways, so she went and got this. They had a little stand right there and it was the chocolate version. And she let me try it and I was like, well, what the hell is this? What is that? What's going on here? Is this Filipino oatmeal or something? So I tried it, I was like, whoa, okay, this is mine now. Yep, there we go. So delicious. But just looking at it, I was just like, yeah, what the hell? A little too early for this. But anyways, so I guess this is a breakfast. Perfect, right? But then again, this is a little too watery. The one I had was thicker. Then again, it was homemade, right? Not instant Seafood City Market version. Let's try a bite. I'm hungry. Alright, it's gonna burn my mouth. Here we go. Cheers. Oh. It did burn my mouth. Ooh. Yeah, actually, it does taste like oatmeal. that's what I kept saying. Is this oatmeal? Filipino oatmeal? What's going on here? I feel like it needs to thicken up more. Yeah, I went straight to the line, okay? I did exactly what it said. I mean, look at that. Eesh. Ube. I love ube so much. And has a little taste to that. A little sweet. Still tastes like oatmeal though. What's better, this one or the authentic chocolate version? I mean, it's not bad. It's just the one I had before, a lot better for sure. 100%, 100%. But anyways, I got this for like $1 something, a little over $1. And yeah, it's hot. It's still hot, so come on now. I want to eat this, but it's burning my mouth. Yeesh. Uy. Uy. Caliente. So, do you know the history about Champorado and why it is what it is? So back in the day, of course, Spain, right? Champorado, Spanish. Yeah, they introduced it, but the thing is, it's not really. I mean, yeah, it's the Spaniards, but it's actually the trade between Mexico and the Philippines that really got it going. Of course, Spanish to Mexico. Yeah, that's what got it going. But it wasn't until Mexico traded with the Filipinos, just like that, and that's how it got going. So there you go. That's some history for you. Champorado, but instead of the masa, they put sticky rice with it. Yeah. There you go. The Spanish colonies. Damn, they just ruled the whole world pretty much. The Spanish Empire, they had it all. Wow. But yeah, now they got ube flavored instead of chocolate. Damn. Oh gosh, so hot. Mix this up more. Yeah, just like that. Getting thicker, right? Super purple. Champorado. Yeah. Rice porridge. Okay, now let's try. I think you're supposed to put some type of milk on top. I think that helps make it more creamy instead of watery. Why is it so hot still? Oh my god. Noodles are not like that. Damn. My tongue. Oh, let's just go through the nutrition. So calories 310, sodium 150, a lot better than noodles. Protein 4 grams. No vitamins, huh? Wow. Sugar is 28 grams. Damn. It's not really that sweet though. I don't understand. Yeah. Not too sweet. Alright, here we go. Last bite. Cheers. Ooh. Okay, so the score rating this is maybe 6 out of 10. It's okay, not bad. I feel like breakfast porridge, rice. But I actually want to try the chocolate version. Now that, hopefully, is the same as the one I had in Sagada, right? Is it? I don't know. But 10 out of 10 over there for sure. Wow. So yeah, next is gonna have to try the chocolate. So back to Seafood City. All right. Make sure to like and subscribe all the way. Make sure to hit up my PayPal, my Venmo. Description down below if you want to support. NateVlog all the way. South Bay Adventures. All right. Salamat po. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Whew. Wow, that was filling. I am good to go. Good morning. Look at that. Still didn't look like this, huh? Maybe I might need milk next time. All right. Leche. Bye-bye. Adios.